శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 561st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 48th చాప్టర్. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, after seeing Dharmaraju's great amount of wealth, while Duryodhana and Shakuni going back to Hastinapuram, Duryodhana he is expressing all of his restlessness to Shakuni and saying like this: Oh my dear Shakuni Mama, I have tried so many ways to destroy Dharmaraju, but he crossed all that and safely he is coming out and he is developing, improving so much. With this, what I am feeling is Tena Daivam Paramanye Paurushancha Nirardhakam. I feel that only Bhagavan's anugraham is important and man's efforts are waste. Oh Shakuni Mama, now all those people laughed at me, that is coming into my mind repeatedly. Now I feel like with all this depression, distress, anxiety and restlessness, I feel like I want to die. Please give me permission for me to kill myself. You please go ahead and tell this entire thing, convey entire thing to my father Dhritarashtra. Like that, when Duryodhana said, Shakuni responding to Duryodhana like this: Oh Duryodhana, don't be angry on Dharmaraju. You tried several times to destroy them, but with their fortune, with their luck, they are coming out and they are improving, and they came out of all the troubles that you caused. They came out of all the dangers that you put. They are now safe. And especially Vasudeva, Krishna Paramatma is on their side. Krishna is not an ordinary one. Ajitaha so api sarvaihi sadevasuramanusaihi. No devatas, no asuras, no humans, nobody can defeat Vasudeva. Such Vasudeva is on Pandava's side, and with Vasudeva's anugraham, Dharmaraju is developing so much. Tell me, what is there for you to tatraka paridevana? What is there for you to feel grief in that aspect? And they got their kingdom, which is from their fathers, and they improved, they developed their kingdoms with Krishna's association. Not only that, Dhananjayena Gandivam Akshayaucha Maheshudhi Labdhani Astrani Divyani Toshayitva Hutasanam. Arjuna worshipped and pleased Agnideva and got Gandivam, such a wonderful, powerful bow. And he got so many divine astras. With that, he could captivate all the kings. Now, Krutavase Mahipalaha Tatraka Paridevana. What is there for you to feel grief in that aspect? Like that, Shakuni trying to convince, comfort Duryodhana. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.